Let's divide 394 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, waving hand ready to tackle another division adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell on Let's Stud so you never miss out on the fun. Let's go. Alright, let's start with our first digit 3. How many times does 2 fit into 3? We bring down the 3 like saying hello there 3, waving hand. 2 goes into 3 one time, so 1 is our first digit in the answer. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2, we write that down. Now we subtract 3 minus 2 equals 1, that's our remainder for this step. Great job, you're doing amazing. We've got a remainder of 1, now let's bring down the next digit 9. Okay team, we have a 1 and we brought down a 9, making it 19. Ready for the next challenge. We scooted over and brought down the 9 to join the 1, making 19. How many times does 2 fit into 19? It's 9 times, so 9 is our next answer digit. Let's multiply 9 times 2 equals 18. Write it down. Time to subtract 19 minus 18 equals 1. We found our remainder. While you're crushing it, keep that awesome energy going. We have a remainder of 1. Bring down the last digit 4 to make 14. Last step, we have 14. Can you guess how many times 2 goes into 14? You got this. Party popper. We brought down the 4 to join the 1, creating our final number 14. 2 goes into 14 exactly 7 times. Our last answer digit is 7. Check our work, 7 times 2 is 14. Perfect. Subtracting 14 from 14 gives us 0. No remainder this time. You did it, that's fantastic. Give yourselves a big clap, clapping. We've reached the end. Our final answer is 197, your math superstars. And there we have it, we've successfully divided 394 by 2 and our answer is 197. Great job, everyone. See, we broke down 394 into smaller parts and divided each one like a pro. Long division might seem tricky, but with practice, you'll be a math whiz in no time. Remember, every problem is a chance to shine. That's all for today's division quest. Keep practicing, stay curious, and explore more exciting math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Stars, Sparkles.